Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an SAT math question. This is question 20 in section 3, the no calculator math section on the SAT that was administered in April of 2017. Right there, you can pause the video, pause it, take a crack at it yourself, and then unpause the video and watch the explanation, see how you did. Compare, contrast. Because we're getting in there. It reads, the function f is defined by f of r equals quantity r minus 4 times quantity r plus 1 squared. If f of h minus 3 equals 0, what is one possible value of h? Well, it's kind of tricky. I got 3 letters going on. F, R, and H. But I know that I want the function to end up equaling 0. So I could go to the original function and ask myself, alright, what are the values of r that would make the function equal 0? Seems like for this one it would be 4, and for the next binomial, negative 1. So 4 and negative 1 are the two inputs that make the function equal to 0. Now the new input is h minus 3. Okay, so that means that h minus 3 either needs to equal 4 or negative 1. For h minus 3 to equal 4, h would be 7. And for h minus 3 to equal negative 1, h would be 2. So 2 and 7. Not a great poker hand, but the answers to our question anyway. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? And if you have any questions about this or any other problem, you can hit me up in the comments below, or you could email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.